We're gonna get him. Cup of coffee, bag of queso. Victory is nice. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Oh, cup of coffee, cup of coffee. I got this. I got this. I'm a legend. I'm a legend. I got this. I got this. I love some queso. I love some queso right now. That would just be awesome. He's scared of me, lol. Mega fart! Ah, that was bad. I mean, we're gonna win this so bad. It's not even funny. Boom. Ulti mega fart! Queso! That was nice. That was nice. Noise. That was noise. Can we get the Akali? Can we get the Akali? Can we get you? Hola. Hola, 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 hola. Achtung! Crap. This isn't good. Oh no, that was so worth mega far. Let's go for the queso. Queso for the win. Queso to the maximum. Looking at some total ninja skills here. So basically, you just wanna ninja skills, yeah. So yeah, I hope this video helped about ninja skills. Yeah. So I just got a triple kill, but I did not record it, and I regret it a lot. But there's nothing you can do, you know. That's life. Sometimes you record a triple kill, and you know, sometimes you don't, and that's life. So yeah, and we might just get a triple kill here. And as I said, some you get, and some you don't. And basically, this one is not even a double kill, because Diana totally takes the kill there. And yeah, I hope you like this new voice of mine. I think it's very relaxing. And yeah, I'm gonna go for the static shiver next up, because of I think it's a very cool item, you know, the bzz and the bzz. So yeah, we're gonna save up for that. And yeah, Kissel. Yes, listen to Master Yi. Anger gives motivation without purpose. Forward, men! And lady and thing, I don't know where you are, Kog'Maw. And let's go. We got the kill. We got the kill. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, that must have been annoying. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Noise. 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 We're gonna get the turret. Get the turret. Get the turret. Oh, that was so close. We should have had the turret. We should have had the turret. Yo, basically, noise. Hi guys, thank you for watching this League of Legends video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like, and also comment if you would like more of these videos. Please share, and yeah, bye.